guys, what's up? It's Alicia. So for today's video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how to make that floating circle effect. I know I made a tutorial on this years ago, but I really couldn't find it. But it was when Alicia Marie did it, but now I'm seeing that Haley Pham is doing the same thing in like her clothing tutorials and stuff where she puts her face on it too. And it's a good way to add a more personal effect instead of using a voiceover. So if you guys want to use it, CutCut Pro, you're going to have to pay for it, but there might be a free version. I think you can do this on the free version of CutCut, but you're limited in the amount of time you can make your video. Anyway, once you have the app, you're going to want to go into it, and this is the screen that'll open up, and you're going to click the plus in the top left corner and add the background video you want. So I'm just going to do a video of Haley just doing a haul, I believe. Okay, so then I have my video, and I'm just going to crop it and get rid of like anything I don't want, and just edit your video how you want. And as you guys can see, it's just the normal background video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this plus again, and I'm going to add the video that I want to be like the talking circle that's going to float around. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do once you have this video, as you guys can see, this is the video here that I want to talk, so I'm going to make sure it's below it, and that means it's over it. And then down on this bottom bar, I'm going to go to the crop tool, and I'm going to make it a square, and I'm going to try and make it the size of Haley's head. And this is because when you round the corners, it's going to give you a circle instead of an oval. So as you guys can see, I'm just doing the best I can and just trying to get her face in it. And then once I have it how I like it, click done. And so right now it's a square. So what I'm going to do is there is this rectangle right here. I'll put a little red circle around it. You're going to click on that and round the corners all the way, and it creates a circle for you. So then I'm just going to add a shadow or a border. So it's the button right next to it, as you guys can see, and I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. And this is to give it some dimension so it looks like it's sticking out from the image. And then you guys can add whatever color frame around it that you want. I'm going to go ahead and choose this blue one, and you guys can see it makes it stick out a little bit. So once you have that, you're able to move it all around to wherever you want. So if you want it talking in one of the corners, you can go ahead and do that. And also, if you want to animate it, I'll show you guys how to do that right now instead of leaving it in this corner the whole time. What you can do is there's going to be this magic wand tool. I'll put a circle around it again. You're just going to click on that, press this plus, and then add a custom transition. So you can make it however you want. I'm going to click and drag this triangle, and that will tell you how long. So if I drag it to 5 seconds, it's going to take 5 seconds to move. 2.5 seconds, it'll take 2.5 seconds to move. And then all I have to do is click on the floating circle and then just move it where I want it to go. And it will move in a straight path there. So I'm just going to go back and I'll play it. And so that is how you make the floating circle effect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it helped out, because I think this is a really cool way to, again, like add your face to a voiceover and stuff to make like try on portions of videos or even just like outfit videos more personable. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.